Platypus, muscle nut, ding dong, rhubarb, spark plug and studs. Anybody doing a wrong thing, better watch out, these caps is rough. Yeah, anytime there's a rumble out west, who do you call? You call the best, cause everyone knows it's simple as that. The best in the west is the hound cats. Yeah, anytime there's a rumble out west, who do you call? You call the best, cause everyone knows it's simple as that. The best in the west is the hound cats.
The Wee-Haul Freight Company.
I'll be right out, fellas. Pardon me, sir, but do you have a shipment for the hound cats?
Hound cat? Oh, yep, sure do. Wait there, I'll be right out. Here it is.
I wonder what's in it.
Maybe it's a shipment of goodies.
I hope it's the pneumatic steel vault and stubborn pickle jar opener I sent away for.
Well, let's open it up and see.
Yeah, the suspense is killing me.
That doesn't look like my pneumatic steel vault and stubborn pickle jar opener.
Of course it's not. It's a player piano.
With our next assignment from the chief. Switch it on, Ding.
Right, Stat.
Good afternoon, hound cats. This is your chief singing. Genius criminal Dr. Strangeless is back in the country, somewhere in the state of Texas. No one knows what his scheme is, but we do know he's seeking a team of criminal experts. Your mission is to find Strangeless and stop whatever he's up to. And this message will self-destruct in 5 seconds.
One more time.
In 5 seconds.
5 seconds? Let's make tracks, cats.
5, 4,
3, 2, 1.
Sometimes I wonder whose side the chief's really on.
All right, hound cats. Everybody knows the plan.
You bet, Studs. First, we pretend to be a gang of criminal experts. 2, Studs and I get arrested. Then boast that we'll bust out of jail the next night.
3, we make sure that Dr. Strangeless hears about it. Then we put into operation our patented jailbreak bust-out plan.
4, old Strangeless will hire us to help him carry out his criminal plans, whatever it is.
This is when we turn the tables. Stop whatever he's trying to do and capture him. Okay? On to Mission Dr. Strangeless.
Take a look at this, Dr. Strangeless. I think it's just what the doctor ordered. Outlaw leaders captured. Boast of jailbreak. Very interesting. This Stutz and Ding Dog just might be the experts I'm looking for. Make preparations, Hogan. We're going to have a look at these experts executing their pre-announced jailbreak.
I want to thank you for your cooperation, Sheriff.
Don't mention it. It's a real honor to assist the famous Hound Cats, kid.
Have you spotted Strangeless, Ding Dog?
I don't know. Everything's too far away.
Give me that spyglass. You're looking through it the wrong way. Yes, there's the scoundrel, ready and watching. Okay, Ding, on with the performance. We can't keep our distinguished audience waiting. Release the aerial signal device.
Arrow signal device taking off.
Look, a shooting star. Make a wish.
Silly, that's not a shooting star. That's the signal from the jail. Come on, let's get this show on a road. How ingenious! Such technique.
The jail jack gizmos are all set.
Swell elegant. Now to put them into operation.
Jail up.
Towing device coming out.
So far, so good, Stutz.
Yeah, now hook us up and let's get out of here.
Hook up, jail up.
Okay, take her away.
A clean getaway. I've never seen a jailbreak accomplished with such finesse. Those are the team of experts I need. Come, Hogan, we must find them.
Now what's the plan to get Strangeless to find us, Stutz?
We're gonna lure him with Operation Campsite Sing-Out, Ding.
Oh, my darling, oh, my darling, oh, my darling Clementine, you are lost and gone forever, dreadful sorrow, Clementine.
Well done, gentlemen. But I'll refrain from asking for an encore.
Who are you?
And how did you find us?
I am Dr. Strangeless. Finding you was quite easy, the way you sing. A pack of coyotes could do better.
I told you it would work, Ding. We've heard of you, Strangeless. What's on your mind?
I need a team of experts like you for something big. Very big.
Well, that's mighty big of you. We'll do it. Right, team?
Right,
Coach.
Obviously, you're the leader of the gang. And I've seen the rest of the gang in action, all except one. What does he do?
What does Ding do? He's the fastest saw in the West.
I am? Oh, yeah. I'm the fastest saw in the West. Hand me that 6-saw, Roo.
6-saw it is.
Watch this. What you see is what I saw.
Amazing demonstration. You are all hired. Now, gentlemen, here is my plan. Your job will be to cause confusion and distraction in this gigantic oil field. Then my powerful generators in this plant will siphon the oil from the oil field through the secret underground pipe and on to the hidden bay, where my tankers will take the black gold aboard and sail to parts known only to me.
The old hydroelectric power plant oil heist, huh?
Looks foolproof to me.
Indeed it is. This master control panel controls the entire operation. And only I know the combination. If anyone tampers with it, it's poof! 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 Now everyone get plenty of rest, because tomorrow is going to be a big day.
Okay, here's the plan. We've got to learn the combination to the master control panel and rig it to capture Dr. Strangeless.
How are we going to re-rig the control panel without Strangeless seeing us? He's such a sneak.
With these, buddy, we switch Strangeless glasses with my matinee movie glasses.
Matinee movie glasses? What's showing? A rootin' tootin' western?
Or maybe a cereal?
Will you guys knock it off and let Rube finish?
Firstly, this little projector pops up. Then this little screen telescopes out and drops down in front of the lenses. Then the little projector starts projecting a picture of the normal master control panel on the little screen.
And Strangeless thinks he sees a normal control panel while we're rigging the panel right under his nose.
You've done it again, Rhubarb.
But I hope you're selling popcorn and candy with that awful movie.
Now we've got to get over to Strangeless without the guard finding out.
Hey, why don't we travel by air? Vent, that is.
Good idea, Rube. Let's go.
I hope you know where we're going, Stutz.
There's only one way to go. Straight ahead. Uh-oh. Looks like I spoke too soon.
I'll say, now there's 5 ways to go straight ahead.
Let's see. 5 passages and 5 hound cats. Hey, Stats, I got it. We each take a passage.
That's using the old brain.
No, that's using the old fingers.
Same thing. Now, let's split. Whoever finds Strangeless first, signal to the rest.
We hit the jackpot. Yeah, there's Strangeless, Stutz.
Sleeping like a baby baboon.
Rube, have you got something to remove this grill?
Sure, Stutz. My patented from-the-inside-out grill remover. A couple of twists, and it's off and adjust. There.
Now, how do we get down to Strangeless?
Simple. We'll form a hound cat ladder.
How is our ladder coming, Stutz?
It's a little short. We need one more hound cat on the bottom.
Hang on, Stutz. I'm your man.
Nice going, Ding.
Sorry, Stutz. I was only trying to help.
Yeah, but who? Him or us? Okay, Rhubarb, switch the glasses.
There. He's all set for the movies.
Now we've got to get the combination to the control panel out of him.
How are we going to do that when he's asleep?
I'll bet he'd talk in his sleep to somebody he loved.
Good idea, Putty. Pretend you're his mother.
Okay, but my heart won't be in it. Strangely, this is your mama speaking.
Mama? Tell me a story, Mama.
First you tell Mama the combination of the control panel. Then Mama will tell you a story.
No. Tell me a story first.
Not until you tell Mama the combination.
Tell me a story. I want to hear a story.
For crying out loud, tell him a story, Putty Puss, before he wakes himself up.
Oh, all right. But I guess you know you're spoiling him. Well, once upon a time, there were 3 bears. And they lived happily ever after. Now tell Mama the combination to the control panel.
Okay, Mama. And the boo-boo to the gaga. The waist and the no to the goo-goo.
Oh, brother, it'll take us a year to decipher this baby talk.
Oh, no, it won't. I know what he's talking about, because that's the way I used to talk to my mama.
Good for you, Muscle Mutt. Now let's get out of here and get this cockamamie plan into operation.
Nighty-night, Strangely.
Nighty-night, Mom. And now, gentlemen, it's time to put my plan into operation. You head for the oil field and cause a distraction. When you do, I'll start the siphoning device into operation.
Okay, gang, on to Operation Distraction. All right, you guys know what to do?
Yeah, me and Muscle Mutt will take care of the oil wells.
And the rest of us will sneak back into the plant and re-rig the control panel.
Now for our pop-up stand-ins.
So far, so good. Now get going.
Good. They're on their way. Now to the control panel.
Okay, follow me. All right, Rube, do your stuff.
Right. One grabber gizmo going up.
Rhubarb, activate the matinee movie glasses. Now let's get out of here and join Putty Puss and Muscle Mutt in the oil fields.
There's the last one.
Whew, am I glad of that. I don't think I got enough wind left to blow out a match.
Nice work, men. Now, back to the car and we'll activate our oil field.
Yeah. Oh, Strangely ought to be checking in on us just about now.
Up, and away!
An excellent distraction. Now to put the final phase of my plan into operation.
And now to put the final phase of this plan into operation.
And Dr. Strangeless is gonna do that when he pushes the control button.
Boy, won't he get the surprise of his life?
Blow in, black gold, and fill my coffers with wealth. Look out! Help! Somebody help me! I'll help yourself, Doc. Every man for himself.
All right, stand by, men. We should be getting a gusher any moment now.
That puts the lid on old Strangeless and his slippery plan.
And another successful hound cat mission.
Baggage for the hound cats.
Now, that's us, Sonny. Thanks.
A whole penny. Ah, gee, thanks, mister. 2,000 more of these and I can buy a new bike.
Super! I love surprise packages.
What do you think it is?
I hope it's something to eat.
I'll bet it's an oil well.
How did you guess, Sting? It is an oil well.
Observe. There's a wind-up key on it.
Must be some kind of a toy.
Careful, you might strike oil.
Congratulations, Houndcats, on another mission well done. This message will self-destruct in 5 seconds.
Let's get out of here.
Hold everything. After all, how disastrous could a little trophy like this be?
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, destruct!
Well, ask a silly question.